The year is 1947. British India, once a jewel in the crown of the empire, is being divided. Two new nations are born, India and Pakistan. But this birth is a bloody affair, marked by violence and displacement. Amidst the chaos, a new conflict emerges, one that will continue to simmer for decades to come, the conflict over water. At the heart of this conflict lies the Indus River and its tributaries. This mighty river system originating in the Himalayas is a lifeline for millions. It is a source of drinking water, irrigation and energy. But the partition split this vital resource, leaving India and Pakistan locked in a dispute over its control. The situation quickly escalated. In 1948, just months after partition, India cut off water flow to Pakistan's Punjab region. This action, though temporary, highlighted the fragility of the situation and the potential for water to be used as a weapon. The need for a permanent solution was dire. After years of tense negotiations, a landmark agreement emerged, the Indus Waters Treaty of 1960. Brokered by the World Bank, this treaty aimed to bring order to the chaos. It allocated the 6 rivers of the Indus Basin between the two nations. India was granted control over the eastern rivers, the Sutlej, Bas and Ravi. Pakistan, in turn, gained control over the western rivers, the Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. The treaty also established mechanisms for dispute resolution, including the Permanent Indus Commission. The Indus Waters Treaty was hailed as a triumph of diplomacy. It was a rare example of cooperation between India and Pakistan, two countries often at odds with each other. For decades, the treaty held, serving as a testament to the power of dialogue and compromise. In recent years, the waters of the Indus have once again become turbulent. New tensions have arisen, fueled by disputes over hydropower projects and the growing spectre of climate change. India, facing rising energy demands, has embarked on the construction of several dams on the western rivers allocated to Pakistan. These projects, including the Kesh Ganga and Ratla dams, have become major points of contention. Pakistan claims these dams violate the Indus Waters Treaty and will severely reduce water flow to its territory. These disputes have led to renewed diplomatic standoffs. Pakistan has sought international arbitration, while India insists on bilateral solutions. The situation is further complicated by the melting glaciers of the Himalayas, which feed the Indus River system. Climate change is adding another layer of uncertainty, threatening the water security of both nations. The path forward lies in cooperation and a shared commitment to sustainable water management. Both India and Pakistan must recognize that the Indus River is a shared resource, not a weapon to be wielded against each other. Dialogue is crucial. The two nations must engage in meaningful discussions to address their concerns and find mutually acceptable solutions. The Indus Waters Treaty, while facing challenges, remains a vital framework for cooperation. It should be upheld and strengthened, not abandoned. International organizations can play a constructive role. The World Bank, which brokered the original treaty, can facilitate dialogue and provide technical expertise. Other actors, such as the United Nations, can offer support for sustainable water management practices. Ultimately, the future of the Indus River Basin depends on the willingness of India and Pakistan to choose cooperation over conflict.